Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be making a scarf. So very easy tutorial, and I will be using my 4.5mm hook and a yellow yarn. Okay, so let's get into it. So with this tutorial, okay, if you're going to make a scarf, okay, it depends, but just be mindful. Okay, you can do like multiple of 10 plus 3. Okay, so with this one I will be making a slip knot, and I will chain 20. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Okay, and block that off, and we are going to chain 3 and ready for double crochet into the last or the 20th chain, okay, or the one that we block off. Okay, and insert and double crochet into every chain until you finish the row. So we're just going to make a double crochet in each row, or in each stitch. So just double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, so if you want a little bit bigger, okay, you can do like 30 plus 3 or bigger. Okay, you just have to work multiple of 10 plus 3. Okay, so after that we are going to chain 15. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, and then turn our work. Okay, so you skip 1 2 3 and to the 4th. Okay, we are going to slip stitch. Okay, so then chain 15. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, skip 3 and slip stitch. Two, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, so skip 3 and slip stitch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and the last chain. Slip stitch. Okay, so from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay, and then twist this. Okay, so twist this, twist it around, and make a 3 single crochet. Okay, and twist it, chain 1 and 3 single crochet, 2, 3, chain 1, and twist it, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, twist it, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and twist it, 1, 2, 3, and chain 1, and then 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 3, wrap your yarn 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and from here, okay, we are going to quadruple into the last stitch. One, 2, 3, 4, okay, so as you can see, okay, so from here we're going to chain 3, okay, and into the next stitch we are going to double crochet, double crochet to the next, double crochet, okay, you just make sure that you have 21, okay, 21 double crochet, because we have here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 here. Just make sure that you have 21 up here as well. Okay, so continue that, guys, and I will meet you up when I got here to the end. Okay, so I got here. Okay, so just make sure, as I mentioned before, just make sure that when you finish, okay, you have 21 stitches. Okay, so because you have 21 double crochet when we started, so you have to have 21 as well when you got here. Okay, so from here we are going to chain 15. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, and skip 3 1 2 3. So we're just going to repeat the row 3. Okay, so that's chain row 1, row 2. No, that's row 2. Okay, so then chain 15, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, and skip 3 1 2 3 and slip stitch. And continue 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, 1 2 3, slip stitch. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, 1 2 3, slip stitch. And our last one, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, and 1 2 3, and our last one here. And slip stitch. Okay, so from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so we are going to repeat this process. Okay, so you have to twist. Okay, so you have to twist the same as what you did here, and 3 single crochet, chain 1, twist, 3 single crochet, chain 1, twist, 3 single crochet, chain 1, twist, 3 single crochet, twist and 3 single crochet, 2 and 3. Okay, so we are into our last. In this one we have to wrap 3 times, 1 2 3. Okay, and we are going to make a quadruple. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so as you can see, that is how it looks like. Okay, so if you're going this way, okay, so that is, so you just have to fix that so they are like even, the twist are even. Okay, so you just have to continue that, guys. Okay, so from here we are going to chain 3, okay, and double crochet in every stitch. Just make sure that you have a 21 double crochet in the end of this row. Okay, and you just have to continue doing until you get the length that you need. Okay, so just make sure that here you get this chain 1 space and put a double crochet. Okay, so I'll let you do that, guys, and I'll come back when I'm finished. Okay, and you can do some tassels in here as well. Okay, thank you very much, guys, for watching, and I will put the finished product into the photo. Okay, and it is very easy. So if you want it bigger, okay, so like blanket or bigger scarf and stuff, okay, you just have to work in multiple of 10 and then plus 3. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, and hope you like this video, and if you do, please leave a big thumbs up and share this video, and if you want, you can hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and you will get notified every time I will upload a new video. Thank you very much, guys, and see you to the next video. Bye.